Hey guys, welcome to The Bite. My name is Jackie. Today's video is going to be on a Trader Joe's 2018 holiday haul. Yes, I'm so excited because I love Trader Joe's, and I posted a poll on my Instagram, which I do a lot of videos based on my Instagram polls. So if you're not following me, follow me _ The Bite. That way you can get involved in what I'm filming. But I asked, and the majority of you said that this is something you'd like to see, and I'm glad because this is something I wanted to film anyway. So Trader Joe's is one of my favorite stores. Their holiday stuff is always fun, it's always festive, and it's just always delicious like all their other stuff. So you go in, you pick up your holiday guide for 2018. I think they do one of these every year where they just tell you exactly what is in stock specifically for the holiday season. So I didn't pick up everything on here, you know, even though I wanted to. I didn't, but I picked some of my favorites, and this is what my husband and I, me, kind of wanted to check out. So let's go over them. First thing I want to show you is the winter wake up tea. I'm excited to try this because I opened it yesterday and it smells so good. It kind of smells like big red gum, if you know what that is, but like in a good way. It says a spicy black tea blend with cinnamon and ginger. So I'm gonna go make a cup right now and I'll be right back. So I got my tea brewed. I got this gangster wrapper cup from World Market, and I just thought it was so cool, so I got it. I'm gonna top it with another Trader Joe's Christmas item, which is a stroop waffle. So basically what these are, it's like two really thin waffles with a little bit of caramel in the middle, and it says, lay your stroop waffle on top of your hot beverage and let the steam melt the caramel for the best flavor experience. So that's what we're gonna do. Yum. Alright. So that's it. Next, I did get a couple things from a previous Trader Joe's trip that I didn't realize were holiday items, and they're almost gone. So I'm just gonna go over those really quickly. Like these white truffle potato chips. I don't normally buy potato chips. I try not to buy potato chips, but I just thought they were good. Apparently they're holiday, and I will say they're a little bit on the salty side, but they're still good. Recommend. If you like the flavor of truffles, you'll like these. Okay, what to try next? I got these mini dark chocolate mint stars. It's a shortbread cookie with dark chocolate, and you know, just sounds good. My husband is filming. If you're a new follower, my husband is my videographer, so he's gonna be enjoying some of these with me today. So, come on! I can smell the chocolate mint. I love anything dark chocolate and mint. They have like a thin mint vibe. What do you think?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm down. Recommend. It's really hard not to get a lot of sweet stuff during the holidays because that's what everyone seems to have, and that's what I seem to like. But butter toffee pretzels, you cannot say no to this. We didn't even realize it was a holiday item, and we both, like, our jaws dropped because it just said, oh, it was already open. We opened it last night. They're not what you expect, or that's not what I expected. So we opened these last night. I will say this is not what I expected. I thought they were gonna kind of have a more salty sweet vibe, but they kind of just taste like they're coated in sugar to me. What did you think?
They were delicious.
Oh, okay. Next, this tea is ready. Ooh. I got a cameraman eyeballing this. Okay, come here. What do you think? It's
That's
good.
good.
Like,
That's good.
Yeah, it's chewy, but crunchy but chewy. Oh my gosh, I like this. Yeah, let's try the tea. Yeah, it just tastes Christmassy. I'm down. So I have these truffle Marcona almonds, and again with the truffles, I like the taste of truffle. So, I mean, I like truffle oil. I have a mushroom truffle oil risotto on my channel, so honestly, I'm not sure how I feel about these. I like Marcona almonds. I really like them on salads. But I don't feel like it matches with the truffle. I'm kind of iffy on this one. Okay, next. So I have 2 cheeses here. A baked lemon ricotta cheese and a fig goat cheese. The fig goat cheese I bought on a previous trip. Didn't realize it was a holiday item, but I have a clip from my Instagram story telling you guys how much I love it with olive tapenade and like fig olive crackers that I found. So good. The lemon ricotta cheese. Me and my husband weren't really feeling that one. Like, if you're looking for like a savory cheese and crackers, this is not what you're gonna want. It's more on like the sweet side. It's kind of desserty. If you're really good in like a lemon cheesecake, to me, the lemon flavor tastes slightly artificial, and I'm not the biggest fan of that. So this, I'm not sure if I'm feeling that, but the fig goat cheese, that's where it's at. And then apple cider jam, it just sounded really good. And I can't get it. Okay. It's kind of like apple butter. This is good. Kind of on the sweet side, but I mean, it's a jam. What do you know? They had almond eggnog. This is completely vegan. I'm not sure if there's alcohol in here. It doesn't look like there's alcohol in here. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm just curious on how this is, because almond milk is kind of thinner than regular milk, so I mean, it still has the thickness of the eggnog. It's good. It's really light. It's not gonna be that same flavor or texture of regular eggnog, but it has that kind of cinnamony, slightly pudding-ish type of texture. I like it. It's good. I don't know if I'd get it often, but something like this tea, this is my jam right here. But the eggnog, definitely a holiday thing. Yeah. Now to some good stuff. This is peppermint bark popcorn. So what it says, it's caramel popcorn coated in dark chocolate and enrobed in a white chocolate and peppermint candy coating. These look like they're full of sugar. They're good. I like these, but you can only do like, so much at a time. They're kind of sweet, but this is right up my alley. I don't even think it needs the popcorn inside. Just, it's dark chocolate and mint, I'm all about it. Peppermint cremes. This is what they look like. These kind of have, it's like between a York and a Junior Mint. I like them. Now. So, looks like my cameraman got a hold of these as well. That's okay. Oh, this is cute. Alright. First of all, let's talk about what this is first. These are hold the cone, peppermint flavored, chocolate dipped ice cream cones with peppermint ice cream inside. My husband already attacked one. What did you think?
It was really good.
Yeah. These look like the perfect size. Like, if you want just a quick sweet treat, this looks like the perfect thing. I would go for this for sure. Okay. Look at the inside. It's pink. It's pink on the inside. And I bet you as it melts, you can bite off the bottom and, Ooh. And the cone is like enrobed in dark chocolate too. Oh yeah. Hold please. Hold the cone. Those, I think, are my favorite thing. So now I just want to quickly tell you guys some things that I recommend that they have year round, and some things that you guys recommended to me that I get from Trader Joe's. So first of all, this popcorn with herbs and spices is probably one of my favorite things to get over there. So it has celery seed, dried dill leaf, onion powder, just a whole bunch of other spices, and I love this. It's a really good snack, and it's, popcorn in general is really light, so I enjoy this. Definitely recommend that. These fig and olive crisps, you saw in my video. I love them. Along with this olive tapenade. My friend recommended this to me as well. The olive tapenade, these crackers, and and not fig goat cheese are like a trio. Camembert cheese, I was thinking about doing something with this with some cranberry sauce that I would have probably left over from Christmas or something. Just something that I got. And then this cheddar Gruyere, my husband actually picked this out, but this is something that I used to get before I even moved to Florida. I've always really liked this, so I recommend this. Trader Joe's is known for their really good like cashews, almonds, walnuts. I always get, you know, those kind of nuts from there. So these are the Thai, lime, and chili cashews. They also have coconut cashews, sesame honey cashews. All of those are good. That's my go-to spot. And lastly, so many people said to get the everything bagel seasoning. I already had it on hand, and this is not something that I bought recently, but I don't know what to use it with. The only thing I've used it for is like avocado toast. So if you have something that you recommend that I put this on, let me know in the comments below and I'll give it a try. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'm new to this kind of like, I don't know if this is considered a mukbang or not. I was eating on camera like consistently, not something that I'm used to, but let me know what you thought. So if this is something that you'd like to see more often, let me know down below in the comments. All in all, what I really recommend, one of my favorites, is this tea. The stroopwafel was really good. The hold the cone, fig goat cheese. Yeah, those were my tops. The things like the truffle Marcona almonds, the lemon ricotta cheese, I was kind of iffy about those, but of course, you pick them out and see what, you know, if you like them, because your taste might be different than mine. So thank you guys for watching today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this type of video. This is not something that I've done before, but let me know if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell down below so that you can see what I post, when I post it, and follow me on Instagram too so that you can kind of get involved in the filming process and what I'm filming. Go to Trader Joe's before this holiday stuff is gone, and I hope this gave you a good guide to what is good. So thanks guys for watching. We'll see you next time on The Bite.